Hi, I'm Jim O'Rourke with Liberty Bell Agency. Did you know that as an Encompass user, you can securely collaborate with us on this loan transaction without leaving your LOS? This means improving your efficiency, saving time, and avoiding any rekeying errors. Best of all, this integration is already set up in your system. It costs you nothing and might even save some money in reduced postage and courier costs.
If you've already used the Encompass Title and Closing Center, our difference is that there is no additional login to remember. Your Encompass credentials provide a true single sign-on experience.
Once you connect with us on this transaction, you'll be able to securely exchange your paperless closing documents with us. You'll be able to request and receive our title reports and closing documents electronically, and you can choose to attach these directly to your borrower e-folder. Additionally, the portal will allow order notes to be exchanged, and you can track the progress of our closing tasks. No more writing emails back and forth. So let me show you how to navigate this feature in Encompass in only a couple of minutes. First, navigate through the Encompass platform to locate this particular transaction in your pipeline. Once you select this particular transaction, you'll be able to establish a secure connection with us by clicking on this Order Title button or selecting Order Title from the Services tab here, or using your menu of services and selecting the drop-down Title and Closing. Once you select the Order Title functionality, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, there will be two tabs: My Title Companies and All Title Companies. Click on the All Title Companies tab, then select the Nationwide Radio button and type in the word Liberty. We should appear as the second or third company on the list. Now click to highlight Liberty Bell Agency on the list. Then click the Add to My Title Companies button. The My Title Companies tab contains a list of all the companies that you may have worked with in the past within the platform. If you wish to clean up your list by removing the companies that you no longer work with, simply highlight the name of the company and click the X in the upper right-hand corner. It will ask you to confirm that you want to remove that selected provider. Just click Yes, and that company will no longer appear in your list. Now, to access the title and closing portal for this particular transaction, simply go to the My Title Companies tab and double-click on Liberty Bell Agency. This will open up the integrated title and closing portal window. The portal will automatically pull in the names of your borrowers and the property address from the Encompass system. The portal will also pull in some light loan details that you can see by merely clicking the More Details link. You can specify when you need the title commitment and if you have an estimated closing date. Encompass has a predefined list of closing order type descriptions. You can choose to select one of these predefined descriptions or simply leave the field blank depending upon your workflow. You can also request a particular closing agent within Liberty Bell Agency, or simply field blank. Again, with the title order field, you can choose a predefined description or leave that field blank as well. And if you have a particular title agent or sales rep that you've worked with on this transaction, fill that in. If you have a particular message or alert that you want to bring to our attention with this order, optionally add that here. When you are done adding any information you feel pertinent in this transaction, simply click the Submit button and a window will pop up to give you a confirmation number. Now let's click on the Notes link within the portal. You'll see that all the notes that you put in the system are automatically appearing. If we send you a note, it will also appear in this window. In this particular case, we replied, "Thank you for your order." New notes that we exchange between ourselves will also appear in this window. To add a new note back to us, simply click the Add Note button. Now let me show you how we securely exchange documents between ourselves. Click on the Documents link within the portal. As you see in the demo, we start with no documents to begin with. You have the option to add documents from your e-folder or from your local hard drive. For this example, I'll upload a closing disclosure from my hard drive. That quick, I just uploaded a document. Now you'll notice the document doesn't appear right away because it does take a minute for the document to be sent across to our title production software system. As you move between the different links on the portal, it'll automatically refresh the screen, or you can simply right-click and select Refresh. Now after I've refreshed, you can see the document now appears. By right-clicking on any document, you have the option to view the document. Or you can alternatively save it directly to your e-folder. The portal will allow you to browse your e-folders or create a brand new folder name. So you know what? You don't have a folder you want to put it in? Let's create a folder called Title Documents. Encompass automatically saves that document into your e-folder and has created a new folder for you to use in this transaction. Now what if you want to make any changes to your order? Let's say, for instance, you have to change the loan amount in this transaction. Once you save the changes you made in the Encompass platform, just click the Order Title button and the My Title Companies list will appear. Select Liberty Bell Agency from the list, and the system will allow you to update the order by clicking the Update button on the lower right-hand side of the window. Now you may ask, if we're already connected, why do you have to go through the process of selecting Liberty Bell Agency again? Well, this system is built for the entire nation. In states like California and Washington, you have the option to select a different closing company than you do the title company. So the system doesn't know who you were trying to send the update to. Finally, within the portal, you have the ability to see the tasking that we have in our title and closing platform to see how the file is progressing to closing. By the way, while you're working on the file, if you happen to notice a little clock or hourglass symbol appearing right here next to Order Title and Closing, that indicates that we may have added additional information and prompts you to check the portal. That's all there is to it. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our closing staff here at Liberty Bell Agency.